You are welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you 3 steps that you need to start making money online by sharing your internet connection. Yes, you get paid based on how much internet you share with the company. The minimum withdrawal is $20. $20, yes, and you get paid every Thursday. You will get $5 bonus if you register through the link that I'm going to send. You get $5 immediately. The name of the platform where you get paid by sharing your internet connection is called Honeygain. Yes, Honeygain. Honeygain is a legit website where you share internet connection and you get paid for it. Let's check some review and let's see how people are making money. Now you see this transaction. You get paid through your PayPal account. So if you don't have PayPal account, you go and get a verified PayPal account. I mean a business PayPal account that will enable you to withdraw from PayPal into your bank account, and you withdraw it with your ATM. It is very simple as ABC. So now you look at the payout here. This is 22.13 USD, and the minimum payout, the minimum withdrawal is $20. Now, so this one you receive $22.13 USD. Now you can convert it to your currency, to your country currency. You will know that this is a big money. You can get this within a very short period of time. Let's check another payment and see. So this is another one. As you can see, the point 2034 points, and that is more than $20. If you convert it, we convert it to dollar. That is another payment. Request payout will be sent and you will cash out $20. So this is another one. 22.90 USD into PayPal. That is another one. So this shows that Honeygain is a legit platform where you get paid. Now, how do you start? So let's get started. Right from the link that I sent to you, just click on the link. To get started, click on the link. Once you click on the link, you will get $5 instantly. So that is when you register with a referral link. If you don't register with referral link, you will not get anything as a bonus. So when you get here, you can read everything that is here. With Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. So the first thing you need to do, because in this video it is just this step that I want to show you to make money. So follow my instruction and listen to words that I will say in this video carefully to make money with Honeygain. So first you need to do, you visit the link I sent to you, click on it and sign up. So come here. Then it is because I signed up before, you will see sign up. Then you click on sign up. So immediately you sign up, fill all the information. Immediately you sign up, then that is the first step. The second step is verify your email. Message will be sent to your email, then you go to your email to verify it. In this process, you can make money from any country, anywhere you may be. You can read all the information, businesses or everything about Honeygain. You can go online to verify whether it is genuine or not. So make sure you own your data when you are doing this. So the third steps is you share your internet connection. But before you share your internet connection, you make sure you download their app. So sign up, that is the first step. Click on the link, sign up. The second step, immediately you sign up, go and verify your email account by going to your email. Click on the link that will be sent to you to verify it. Now immediately you verify the app, claim you verify your email, claim your $5 bonus. Then the third step is to download Honeygain. So it depending on the phone you are using, or if you are using computer. So for computer, click on download Honeygain app. So you download it. So then you have on Android. This is it, Android. Download for Android. You click on download if you are using Android. So if you are not using Android, go to it. You see, if you are using iPhone, you will see Mac. You see for iPhone, and if you are using laptop or desktop, you see version. You download it. Immediately you download that. So I will show you the next to do. This is the app, as you can see it on my screen here. Again, then click on it, open it, allow it to load. So immediately you then download the app. So this is the app that opened. Collect to request a payout. So this is mine. I've gathered $5 from the bonus. I just opened this account for the purpose of this training. So the more I shared my internet connection, then the more they use it. All other things, all your informations are secured. The Honeygain, they want all their workers to have access to internet connection wherever they may be, and in case they have a problem with internet, so they gather some network together so that their workers can use it, and that is how they get they make their own money. So immediately you share, make sure you own it, make sure you own your data, and you will see that it will be reading, it will be changing. So it will change. I'm having this 11, it is not there before, but right now it is there because I've shared my internet connection. And if I open it, that is how it will be reading gradually. How much are you buying data? So if the amount you are buying data is not costly, is very cheap, then Honeygain is the best way for you to make money. You don't have anything. You only need to set it there, then drop your phone, or even if you are doing any other thing, let it run on your phone, and you are not doing anything. You are not going to do anything. And for my country here, Nigeria here, so the amount we buy data here is very cheap. Yes, it's very, very cheap. And if you are also in Nigeria, you can chat me up. I will show you where you can buy data at a very cheap rate, and from it you make huge amount of money from little data you use, and you make money from it. So that is that. Earning today, I've not earned anything today because I just opening the app for today. It has been a while that I open it. Now that is it. It is not that much. There's nothing much. Then if you invite your friend, everyone who join Honeygain using your referral link gets a $5 bonus starting gift, and you earn forever bonus equal to 10% of their earning. Can you see? That is how easy it is. You will get 10% of anyone that you refer. Anyone that you refer that use your referral link, you will be getting 10% of their own money they are earning. That is for life earning. So to copy your referral link, once you open your app, so you see your referral link is there, just click on it, click on this, yes, link copy, then invite your friend. How much Honeygain credit worth? 1,000 Honeygain credit is $1. So you get 1 credit for every 10 MB you shared. So that is just it. That is how the Honeygain works. So just connect your paper account which I've been to continue to make money. So share your internet connection and make more money. I will see you in the next video where I will show you another way to make money online doing little tasks.